once in 15 days or 8, 10 days, even 10 days, we collect garbage along the roadsides. Soslo, Raya Road, then Curtorim, Leprosy, many places in Raya also we collect. On the roads, highway we collect. We put our own labours. I know how difficult it is to get labours. Then we collect house to house. We collect from fields, from nalas. We collect so many things. It becomes so difficult for us to get labours. Take a lot of patience with them. Whatever we might say. So finally, this is one part of it. Now, second part is diapers, pampers, your sanitary pads, everything we collect, and we dispose it in Kundai. We have a contract. We do it on our own. I do it under our Reginaldo trust, and we do all this service for the past 6 months. We have been doing it. 6-8 months have passed. We are doing it. We were planning till we have a proper system in place. We can't charge the people. That's why we are trying to have a proper system in place. For that, we require people's support. We want all the people to help us. We want people to understand what is the issue and see that others also don't throw. While throwing others, if you catch others, be careful how you handle it. You catch them, take a photograph and send it to us. We will take attention. Anywhere there is garbage also, anywhere there are pampers, there are diapers, even if there are sanitary pads, inform us. You can contact my office. We will make arrangements. Maybe not in one day immediately, but in 2 days or 3 days we'll collect it. We have to make arrangement. We will dispose it off, but don't throw it out. We want the help from all the people to see that this thing is done. That no garbage is thrown, no sanitary pads, no diapers, everything is in place. A system is in place, and see that it's not thrown along the roads. We expect nothing much from the people, but we expect to see that our full constituency is having no garbage at all. It has to be no garbage on the roads. It has to be no garbage anywhere. If you look out, it should be a nice green. Our agriculture also we are doing a lot. So we look forward in having a beautiful constituency, clean, green. And my advice to the people, my request to the people, tell others also, those who are listening, see that they don't dump outside. They don't dump along the roads. Make arrangement. We are taking Curtorim, we are taking Rashol, we are taking Khamuli. See that even in other places, if there is in our constituency, please tell us. But my request, my humble request is, don't throw it along the roadsides. Don't make it a habit of putting on the bike and kicking it out. Don't make a habit of taking or lowering the glass of the car and throwing it out. Please avoid it. So I want our constituency. That is, you people are, without you, we will not be able to do it. So we want you to help us to make this clean. We will put banners. There are fines for those people who have caught throwing around. We collect fines also. We will make the panchayat collect fines. Whoever is there, please, even if you don't want to get into confrontation, if you catch somebody, take a photograph of the bike. We will do the necessary. We identify the vehicle, we identify the person, and we take action. We make them clean and we fine them. This is what we do. So my request, please help us to keep our constituency clean and green, and not every 15 days, 8 days our own people are going and collecting garbage and you're throwing it.